Hello all students. Today I am going to explain about this different spreading technique in the cellular wireless network, that is unit 2. So here we have already seen these are the different spreading techniques that we have already seen. Now we will see that particular part. What are the applications that we are using for this? Where it is used, like we can say. So here the amateurs that and business community, we can say, are current authorized to use only two, that is frequency hopping and direct sequence. We can say that hybrid part that is using, they are using both. If they are using both, then that is a hybrid sequence. So this is a hybrid system that we are able to see here. Now here the next thing is the rest of the spectrum technologies are classified and used by the military and the space science, we can say, right? So here now we are able to see this, that is a direct sequence spread spectrum, right? Direct sequence spread spectrum, that is what it is often compared to a party where many pairs are conversing, each in a different language. So here each pair understands only one language and therefore concentrates on his or her own conversation, ignoring the rest. So here suppose example is given here, Hindi speaking couple just homes onto Hindi, rejecting everything else as a noise, right? So मतलब जिसको जो लैंग्वेज समझ में आ रही होगी वो वही लैंग्वेज के वो सुनेगा, बाकी सब वो नॉइज़ की तरह उसको इग्नोर कर देगा. दैट इज़ डायरेक्ट सीक्वेंस स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम, राइट? सो हियर इट्स एनालॉगस टू DSSS. DSSS is when pairs are spread over the room conversing simultaneously, each pair in a different language. बहुत सारे अलग अलग लोग हैं, सब लोग अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे हैं. तो जो एक ही लैंग्वेज में, ओनली वन लैंग्वेज में, जैसे कोई दो जने, मतलब दो या दो से ज़्यादा जने जो हिंदी में या फिर इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे होंगे, जिसको जो समझ में आता होगा वो वही सुनेगा, बाकी की लैंग्वेज वो एज अ नॉइज़ इग्नोर कर देगा. सो दैट इज़ द डायरेक्ट सीक्वेंस स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम, वी कैन से. सो हियर द की टू द DSSS इज एबल टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द डिज़ायर्ड सिग्नल ओनली, मतलब पर्टिकुलर जो सिग्नल जो हम लोग को ज़रूरत है वही हम लोग एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, while rejecting everything else as a random noise, right? So here we are extracting only the desired signal. So analogy may not be exact, but because a room full of people all talking to at once soon becomes very loud. So एक बार को मतलब आवाज़ इतनी होगी कि आपको समझ में नहीं है कि कौन किस लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहा है, ठीक है ना? तो उसके लिए मतलब सो दैट कैन नॉट बी, मतलब कि आप जो चूज़ कर रहे हो वो एग्जैक्टली वही डिसाइड होगा, वो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, कंपलसरी नहीं है. So that can be, we can say that can be a drawback part of this also, right? So here in general, a spread spectrum communications is distinguished by three key elements. First is a bandwidth. That signal occupies a bandwidth that is much larger than what is necessary to send the information. Second thing is, bandwidth is spread by the means of a code which is independent of the data. Then the receiver synchronizes to the code to recover the data, and the use of the independent code and synchronized reception allows the multiple users to access the same frequency band at the same time. So here the first key element is what? Bandwidth, right? Second thing is what? That is the independent code, we can say. And the third thing is that synchronous reception by many of the users. So these three are the main key elements that this spread spectrum communication is distinguished by which. So this is here the independent code and the synchronous reception is the thing that allows user to access the same frequency at the same time, we can say. Next thing here we can say the DSSS is commonly called CDMA, or we can say code division multiple access, we can say. Multiple access means more than one users more users are using at a time that particular part, that is a DSSS, that is a code division part. So each station is assigned a unique M-bit code. This code is called the CDMA chip sequence, we can say. And to transmit a 1 bit, a transmitting station sends its sequence, whereas to send 0, it sends the complement chip. Right? So here 1 अगर 1 और 0 के फॉर्म में होता है, बाइनरी फॉर्म में होता है. सो 1 को सेंड करने के लिए वो क्या करेगा, इट इज़ सेंडिंग द चिप सीक्वेंस, ट्रांसमिटिंग चिप सीक्वेंस. और अगर 0 सेंड करना होगा तो उसमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट चिप सेंड कर देगा वो. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट द पर्टिकुलर, दैट इज़ अ चिप सीक्वेंस वी कैन से. सो हियर एग्जांपल इज ऑल्सो गिवन. अगर स्टेशन ए दिया हुआ है, दैट इज़ असाइंड द चिप सीक्वेंस, दैट इज़ 000. Here it is given 000, right, 11011. So it sends 1 bit 1 by sending this 000111011 and a bit 0 by sending 111, that the complement part of this whole part, right. So we can see here is a 111, that is for 000 complement, then 000, that is for 11 complement, then 1, that is for 0 complement, then 00, that is for 11 complement. So it is the whole complement part they are for sending 0, and for sending 1, the actual part is only send. So here using the bipolar notations, we define bit 0 as +1 and bit 1 as -1. So here the bit 0 for the station A will now become, हेयर 0 के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं, +1 यूज़ कर रहे हैं. बट यहाँ पे जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट वाला जो पार्ट है वो हमको देखना है. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट वाले पार्ट में सबसे पहले 3 क्या है, फर्स्ट 3 आर 1. सो फॉर 1 वी आर टेकिंग -1. सो हियर 3 times -1 इज़ गिवन हियर. नेक्स्ट हियर 00 इज़ गिवन, राइट. तो 0 के लिए यहाँ पे +1 है, सो 2 times +1 इज़ गिवन हियर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट 1, then for 1 we have to take -1, so -1 is given here. Then after 00, for 00 we have to take +1, so that's why here +1 is given here 2 times. And 1 becomes 1 is what here, this 1. Yeah, so 1 will be like this, right. So 000, for 0 we are taking +1, so 3 times +1. Then for 11 we are taking here 1 for -1, so 1 2 times is given here. Then 0 is given, for 0 +1, so +1 will be given here. Then 11, so -1 will be taken for this, so -1 2 times is given here. So this is the way the particular station is assigned a chip, that is for transmitting that 1, it will use this particular first part, that is -1 -1 -1 +1, this one. And for sending 1, it will send like this, right. So that is the particular bipolar notations we can say for +1 and -1. Now here we are sending what's here, the station 0 is given here and the data is given here, that is 8 times 0, right. So data here it is given, that is 00, that is the 2-bit data here it is given. So 2-bit data here it is given, for that the code is given here, so that is 0101 0101, that code part is given here. Now this spreading code is 0101, right. So here the 0101 is spreading. So now what here it is happening, so here we have to finally the particular message will be what, using this spreading code and this particular data. So here we will get this particular spreading message. How we are getting this part, so here we can see the XOR part is given here. When the particular same part are there, so we have to use 0. When the different part is there, we have to use 1. In all we can see here that 0 1 is for so XOR part is answer is 1, and 0 XOR 0, that will be 0. 0 XOR 1, that will be 1. 0 XOR 0, that will be 0. 0 XOR 1, that will be 1. Then 0 XOR 0, that will be 0. 0 XOR 1, that will be 1, and 0 XOR 0, that will be 0. So this is the final spreading message that we are getting. Now if the particular station B, suppose it is taken, and the data here it is 0 1 1 0, that is a bit given here. For the 1 here, 1 is for this, right? So 0 is for here 4 times 0, that is 8421 code is given here, right? And here for 0, so here also the 8421 code is given here, that is 4 times 0. So here 1 0 is given now. Now not a 8421 code, how many what particular bits we are using for the first 4 and the next 4, that is particular part is given here. So 1 लिखा हुआ है मतलब 4 times 1 we have to use, and 0 लिखा हुआ है मतलब next में 4 times 0 आएगा. Now the spreading code is what? The 0011. So here the 0011 here we are using for this, and the spreading message will be what we will see here, the XOR part again. तो 0 1 है यहाँ पे डिफरेंट है इसलिए 1 आएगा, 0 1 अगेन डिफरेंट तो 1 आएगा, 0 0 both are same so 0 will be there, 0 0 both are same XOR part will be 0. Now 1 1 also same so 0 will be there, 1 1 again same so 0 will be there, 1 0 is different so there here it will be 1, and 1 0 here also different then it will be 1. So this is the final spreading message that we are getting for this. Now next here, now we are getting here for station C part. Station C, that is using the data 1 1, that is a 2-bit data is given here, and the spreading message is 4 times 0 is given here. Now 1 1 means what? The 4 times 1 we have to take here for the first one, and the next 4 times 1 for the next one, and the code data is already given that we have to repeat for these two. ठीक है ना, 4 times here it is given. Now XOR part यहाँ पे सारे के सारे different है इसलिए 8 times 1 here will be the answer. And finally the spreading message here that is given, so that is what spreading message is, that is 8 times 1 here we can see, right? So this is what we are taking. Now the combine all the 3 spreading message that we got, 3 spreading message. So bit 0 then here is for -1, and bit 1 is then giving the +1. So here the particular spreading message here for the A part, station A, here we are taking here +1, that is for 1, right, and -1 for 0. So here it is +1, that is 1, right, and here it is -1 so that is 0, right? So here, so finally so we are getting this message here, right? So upper part is 1 and lower part is 0. The upper part is 1, that is a spreading message, and this is the actual code that is given, that is written here above, right? So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, so that is the actual code that is given, and for that when we are using this code we are getting this answer that we can see here, that is 0 1 0 1, right? So here, so 0 part is given, that is, so here the opposite part is given here. So 1 bit 1 we have to transmit, then we have to take the +1. So here it should be -1, that's the first part is 0 not 1. So here we have to take the opposite part, not the previous part. अगर 1 की जगह +1 लिखा हुआ है तो उसकी जगह -1 लिखना है, और 0 की जगह -1 लिखा है तो +1 लेना है. तो 0 की जगह यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, -1 की जगह +1 वाला पार्ट आया. तो here we can take this, right? So here also, ठीक है ना, तो इसमें भी 1 1 यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे भी 1 1 दे रखा है, right? So 1 1 here it is also given. Here we can see 1 1, then 4 times 0, then 1 1. Same thing here, then 4 times 1 and 4 times 1, right? So -1 -3. Why -1 -3? Why it is given here that -1 and -3? So here what we are doing, we are combining all the 3 spreading message, right? So when we are combining all the 3 spreading message, so here we can see here the 0 1 0 1 is given here, and here the 1 1 0 0 is given here, and 0 0 1 1 is given here. When we are combining these 2 messages, right, so what we are getting, that we have to see here, so that is 1 1 0 0, this is the spreading message that is written here, right? This is the spreading message that is written here. This is also the spreading message. This is for the station C. Finally, after the XORing part, we are getting this. Now, how we are getting this -3? Now we are taking this. Now -1 कैसे आ रहा है वो देखना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है -1. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे जो लिखा हुआ है उसका ऑपोजिट लेना है. तो यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है, मतलब यहाँ पे 0 को कंसिडर करना है. तो हेयर 0 को कंसिडर करेंगे तो यहाँ पे -1 आएगा. तो -1 -1 right? So here we are taking -3, right? And here now 0 आ रहा है तो वहाँ पे 1 कंसिडर करना है. यहाँ पे 0 है, so 0 का -1 है तो यहाँ पे 1 कंसिडर, मतलब उसकी जगह पे +1 कंसिडर करना है हमें. So here +1 will be there and here -1 and -1 will be there. So -1 will be -2 and this is +1, so -2 + 1 is equal to -1, and so finally we are getting this here. So this we are getting this -1 here, right? After that again now 1 is given here. So 1 के लिए हम लोगों को क्या लेना है, यहाँ पे तो लिखा है +1 बट हम लोगों को -1 लेना है. So here 1 0 and 1 is taken here. So here it is 1, here it is 0 and here it is 1 again, right? So here it is -1, then +1, then -1 again. So -2 + 1, that is also -1. So here it is -1 and again here 1 0 and 0. Here it is given. So here we have to take this +1, this is also +1 and this is -1. So +2 -1 is equal to +1. So here it is +1, right? Then after here +1 आ गया था इसमें, right? So now we will take this part. So here it is 1, here it is 0 and here it is 1, and for 1 we are taking -1 +1 and -1, again -1 will be here, right? So here it is -1. Now again here 0 के लिए यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे जो 0 लिखा है दिख रहा है हम लोग को 0, then 0 and then 1. So +1 +1 and -1, that is also 1. So here it will be 1, right? So this is 1 given here. Now here we are taking, यहाँ 1 दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे भी 1 दिया हुआ है, नीचे क्या दिया है 1 दिया हुआ है. तो 1 के लिए हम लोग क्या ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So this is +1, so opposite part we have to take -1. So -1 -1 and -1, that will give you -3 as a combination of this. Then after here it is 0, then 1 and then 1 again. So 0 के लिए हम लोग को +1 और 1 के लिए -1 यूज़ करना है. So 0 के लिए +1, right? So +1 -1, that will give you here -1, right? So this is all. This is about how to combine all the 3 spreading message. Now the combined signal will be how, that is written here. So this is the combined signal that we are combining these 3 when we are using the particular answer part that is written at the below -1 -3 1 -1, you can see line. So that part is given here as the combined signal. So -1 will be taken here, for that -1 part is taken, then -3, so -3 part will be taken, 1, then +1 part, then -1, then 1, then -1 -1, then -3. So this is the combined signal of 3 spreading message. Now here for the first station A, here it is given that 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now here after when we are multiplying, so here the +1 means what? The +1 means 0 and then the data bit are 0 0 we can take. So +1 means 0, here it is given. So here now multiplying, what we have to multiply, that we have to see here. So here -1 3 1 1, here it is given, right? So the total of these 4 will be what? The total of these 4, that is 3 - 1 is equal to 2, +1 is equal to 3, +1 is equal to 4. So finally here we can see here after what we are doing here, we are totaling these 4, we are getting 4 divided by 4, and here also we are taking this. So 1